on Tongue Twister Tuesday. Today I've picked out 3 tongue twisters featuring the letter F. Here's my first one. The first time we say it slow, second time we get a little faster, and the third time we say it as fast as we can. Fresh fried fish. Second time a little faster. Fresh fried fish. Third time as fast as we can say it. Fresh fried fish. That was frantic. That also starts with the letter F. Here's my second one. Friendly, fleas, and fireflies. Second time a little faster. Friendly, fleas, and fireflies. Third time as fast as we can go. Friendly, fleas, and fireflies. All right, we're on our third one. First time slow. 5 frantic frogs fled from 50 fierce fishes. Let's try that one again a little faster. 5 frantic frogs fled from 50 fierce fishes. Third time as fast as we can go. Fast also starts with F. Wow. 5 frantic frogs fled from 50 fierce fishes. Fantastic. I hope you have a wonderful day and practice and share these with your friends. Thanks for tuning in to Tongue Twister Tuesday. Woohoo! Bye.